Hello guys, today I'm talking about HTML block and inline elements. So HTML block elements. So I'll start with HTML block elements. HTML block elements display on a web browser as like a full block of code. They contain the whole width of the web browser depending on where they are. If they are inside another parent, they will contain the whole width of that parent. So like this like stack like they stay one up upon or like each other. If the first block element is written, this next one, if you should write it, it will be under. They they don't stay on the same line with another block element. So two block elements cannot stay on another line the same block element, even though there is still enough space for that other block element to enter, it will not show. One inline element, they just take like the necessary space they have to take. Let's say the text, the space the text is supposed to take, they just take that amount of width and just stay like that. So I'll be using some codes to explain this to you. So I'll be giving the text background color. So let's start with, we have the p tag. So I'll be using p tag to demonstrate it. Then after I'll drop other list of them. So one of the block element is the p tag. So we'll be writing with the p tag. So as you can see, I'll put in a text here. So as you can see, okay, I'll give it a background color. Let me give it a background color and control it. I'll give it a background color. Start. So I'll give it a background color. Then I'll duplicate it. Let's see. So let's see how it looks like. So as you can see, they're taking the 100% width of the web browser. As you can see, 100% width of the web browser. So as you can see, there was enough space for this one to come here, but it could not. Even if you should come and take this and write both of them on the same line, as you can see, all of them are on the same line, it will still appear like that on the web browser. So that's how block elements work. But inline elements, let's say inline, let's say inline elements, they just take the amount of space they need to take depending on the text being written. So I'm writing a block element. So I'm writing a block element. So that's good. Then I will come in at the side to put, let's say, an em. So an em is basically no, I'll put it under so we'll see the difference. So I'll just put any text here. So I'll give this one a different background color. So style. So basically, as you can see, this text was not allowed to show here because this one now is already taking the 100% width. So I'm putting, as you can see, the width of this one is just taking, as I see the number of text, this is just the width is going to have. So that's how inline elements is. But the block element, they take 100% width. As you can see the difference between both of them. So if I should come and still put another em, so if I should still put another em, the next EM I put will show on this line here where this EM is. So showing that, as I see, they will show on the next line. So that's basically how inline elements work. So let's say we have a p element inside a p element inside another element, because I talked about parent and child element. So inside another element making the child. So I said that the block element will take the 100% of the width of their parent container. So I'll be putting a div, then putting a p tag inside it. But instead of making this div like full width of the computer, I'll be reducing the width so that we can experiment and see the extent where the p tag will go to. So I'll be reducing the width, giving it width of, let's say, 500 pixels. Then I'll give it a border of 2 pixels solid black, so I can see some difference. So in between here, I'll be putting the p tag and the text. So putting the p tag, I'm putting the lorem. So putting the lorem, I'll give it a background color so we can see the width it takes. So I'll be giving it background color. So going to go and refresh. Let's see the difference. So as you can see, it took only 100% of the width of this parent container. As you can see, it didn't extend, go too far. Can see, let me make the width a little bit smaller. Making the width a little bit smaller, 300 pixels. So as you can see, 100% of the container is in. As you can see, the text had to reduce. So basically, that's how HTML block and inline elements work. So the inline element, they take as much space as they are supposed to take, but while the block elements stack upon each other and take 100% width of their parent element, as shown here. So you can practice this with the list of elements I'll be dropping in the group. So I'll be dropping a list of block elements and inline elements so that you can test this out and see for yourself. Thank you.